Hi guys, and welcome to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at this, the Flywing BO-105 Special Red Bull Edition. This is a limited stock item in the UK. I think we've got around 10 left. And the previous version, the yellow version, was massively popular and sold out really quickly. And to add to that, we do have this on special offer on radiocontrol.co.uk. So if you fancy one of these, do go and grab them as quickly as possible because they will sell out. One thing we want to convey in this video is how easy it is to really fly one of these things. So once you've plugged everything in, you just have to wait for your, you turn your GPS button switch on the top right, second from right, into the middle, and the GPS light on the GPS will, in the helicopter, will go green. And then you hold the sticks, as I just did, outwards and down, and then click the left switch to run. And once you're there, then the GPS light on the GPS will go green and start flashing green. And then you're just ready to, the motor will start up, and you just push the up stick on the left hand side and you take off. GPS enables the helicopter to know exactly where it is, and that means that it will stay perfectly still. As you can see here, I'm not touching anything on the remote. I'm not trying to balance it for the wind, as it is quite windy at this point in time, but it stays perfectly where it is. And this just goes to show really how easy these things are to fly. Personally, I find it a bit easier to fly when they're facing away from you. It's a tiny bit disorientating when they're coming towards you because everything's in reverse, but it's the same with an RC car, really. Second thing I'd mention is, or advise, is to do this in a far larger open space than I'm doing. I do have some experience flying these, so definitely use a lot of space, take it out to the field somewhere where you're not going to hit anything. I'm just being really careful and being light on the sticks to make sure that I don't go near any of these bushes or anything like that. Radiocontrol.co.uk recently became the main distributor for Flywing in the UK, so we are getting a constant stream of the new products, and we're getting them earlier than our competitors, and starting to provide some of the other shops in the UK with that constant stream of new products. But I think I'd agree this Red Bull version is absolutely beautiful. If you want to go and head over to radiocontrol.co.uk and grab one of these, you can go into the brand's description at the top of the page and click on Flywing, and it'll take you to all the Flywing products that we currently sell. It's actually on the second page, so go into the bottom and click page 2. Please do like, follow and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps us grow the shop and get free traffic, which is generally really expensive to buy traffic on Google. So it really does help us grow our business if you can help us grow this channel. Enjoy your day. Thanks for tuning in.